go. Number 4 is fine.
No.
Oh, this noob takes me upstairs. Downstairs, okay? Oh no. Last one. बाकी कितने? ये तो 2 है।
ना तेरे कोल मैं चलता हूँ वापस फोन से।
तो यार टाइम भी टाइम ब्रो। Here enemy, okay? This side enemy. Two.
I don't see.
Here on the right side, right side, right side. This hill, this hill.
Watch out!
This
I'm
hill.
recalling a teammate. Marked a location.
One more,
Marked a
one more.
location.
One more, one
Watch
more.
out! Watch out!
Number 4, go to Rika.
Watch out!
Here.
No, wait. Let me recall you. Number 4 here.
Watch out!
Here. Yes. Yes, GG's all dead.
Thank you.
Ready. Oh, here, enemy. One more. Come on, Dorian.
Watch out.
Kill. Nice, GG's. I could have killed him, but I didn't do it for you.
I do ya.
Come, Dorian. Kill Dorian.
Watch out.
Kill.
ਇੱਥੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਪਿਆ ਹਜੇ ਇੱਕ।
ਉਹ ਬਾਹਰ ਕਿੱਥਾ ਲੈਣਾ? I knock him. Be careful, maybe one more. Oh, right side. Dorian, it's all you. Yeah, nice. Maybe one more. Give me cover. Maybe one more. Let's go, Ron. Maybe one more. Over there, laying down. Dorian, kill. Dorian, kill. Oh my god, he was laying down in the office. Here, Dorian. You kill him?
Watch out!
Oh, I got knocked in the zone. अगर गेम पसंद आ रही है रंजत भाई तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर फॉलो जरूर करना है पेज को। बहुत मेहरबानी होगी भाई की। Oh, on the back too. Knock. Dorian, you give me cover the other side. You give cover other side. I'm reviving this.
Okay, I knocked one here.
Yeah, okay. Nice. Two knock. Rush it, I would say.
ਉਹ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਜੀ।
Watch out.
Hit him.
Help!
Fucking hell.
Uh,
Left side, yeah, left. Yeah, in front of you. Yeah, go. Left.
एक और।
Watch out! We're the best.